Hi and welcome to 805 at 91 Tram Road in Doncaster. My name's Chris Ewart from Nelson Alexander Real Estate. A little windy up here on the 8th floor, but boy, what a view! And on a clear day, you can see forever! Anyway, Doncaster shopping town, about 200 metres away. You've got Box Hill, also a very good central hub transport-wise and shopping-wise, right to the city buses, schools, it's all laid on. But come on in, let's have a look and get excited inside. Well, I hope you enjoyed that tour. 7 years old, they still had the bedrooms as good sized bedrooms. 2 bathrooms to go with the 2 bedrooms. One's an ensuite, obviously. A nice open plan kitchen, meals, family area, incorporating that beautiful city view and the Box Hill view behind me. I think it's pretty exciting. Come on up and see me at one of the open for inspections.